belief has driven the Jindal Nature Cure Institute, and for over 3 decades, this institute has touched the lives of thousands of people just by bringing them closer to nature. Located on the outskirts of Bangalore, South India, Jindal Nature Cure Institute, JNI, is the preferred wellness destination that effectively combines naturopathy and yoga, two of the most potent ancient Indian therapies. The peace and tranquility is evident right from the entrance.
JNI is a charitable hospital running for the service of suffering humanity, and people come here to get rid of their ailments and health problems. We follow the principles of nature cure in strict sense, and no compromise, no latitude to anyone irrespective of one's position or status. I believe discipline is the key to success.
What we believe in naturopathy or nature cure, what we call it as, that our body is made up of 5 great elements. It's not only our body, our prakriti is made up of 5 great elements, that is the earth, water, air, fire and space. So whenever there is any imbalance in any of these elements, that leads to different types of diseases. So in naturopathy, when the patients come to us, we try to give the treatments to the patients with these 5 great elements.
JNI is both a hospital for treating diseases and an institute that aims to orient one's thinking to lead a natural and sattvic life and practice the principles of naturopathy and yoga, the gifts of nature. Once registered, the patient is completely evaluated for all their problems. Routine diagnostics in the well-equipped facility adjoining the institute is done.
We have brought latest equipments from other countries to provide better treatments and quicker relief.
Once all the reports are studied, the doctor plans out a course of treatment. A powerful combination of nature cure, diet, yoga, and long walks are prescribed. And soon enough, the patient begins to experience that all healing powers are within one's own body.
Patients are experiencing now as diabetes, high blood pressure, arthritis, hypertension. All these diseases are caused due to the irregular eating habits, erratic sleeping habits, lack of exercise, sedentary lifestyle. These are the main causes for all this lifestyle diseases, what we call it as in the present time. The main cause of all the diseases is the accumulation of toxins. Whatever treatments we are giving, it is all external treatments. So there is absolutely no question of side effects at all.
At GNI, the treatments are hydrotherapy, mud therapy, fasting therapy, acupuncture, along with nutrition management and yoga therapy. The main element of hydrotherapy is water, and treatments are given through various baths and massages. According to naturopathy, most of the diseases start and end with the stomach.
And in nature cure, cleansing system is very important. So they have to remain under fasting. No food is given, that you can call starvation, and enemas, then a lot of exercise and lot of treatment.
Cleansing the inner body of all toxic materials is the most important aspect of naturopathy. This is achieved through colon hydrotherapy and enema. Colon hydrotherapy cleanses the entire length of 5 feet of colon in 2 to 4 sessions. This therapy improves the level of functioning of the whole body. Another specialty of JNI is the mud therapy. A special variety of mud is used for the mud packs. Mud or earth, being one of the 5 elements of nature, is known to cure various aches, tones the muscles, and improves the functioning of the digestive organs and texture of the skin by sucking the heat from the abdomen. Packs are local applications of wet or dry cloths specific to the organ which is unwell. Some of the common packs are eye pack, abdominal pack, kidney pack, gastrohepatic pack, knee pack, and chest pack. Apart from the regular oil massage, the steam and sauna baths, followed by circular cold shower, gives you the ultimate relaxation. At JNI, another ancient Indian science, yoga, is prescribed. Yoga is the Indian science of harmonizing the mind and the body and inculcating physical discipline. Experts teach the various yogic asanas and the kriyas. While all these kriyas are practiced in the early morning, asanas are taught at various times throughout the day. Experienced yoga practitioners work along with the patients and help them in learning the correct postures and understand the meaning behind each of the asanas. Pranayama and meditation are also an integral part of the yoga therapy. The treatment protocol is incomplete without proper dietary management. Much of the fruits and vegetables are organically grown on campus and served fresh. The kitchen is spotless and well organized. The juice center is open at all times and patients can have their prescribed juices here. Both vegetable and fruit juices are provided for different therapies. In order to ensure patients follow similar dietary habits once they are home, cooking demonstrations are regularly conducted. It is not just cooking and eating the right food, but naturopathy also advocates fasting and intake of plenty of fluids, which is the most effective way of detoxifying and cleansing the body.
Fasting is a panacea for health, and fasting is also one part of the trilogy of nutrition where balancing and bodybuilding are other parts.
Fruits and vegetables and juices, and you really feel that you're getting cleaned out too. And the different types of treatment that I've seen so far, each one better than the other. So it's a very, very good place to come to get your head together and reflect on your life, and also because if you don't have health, you don't have a life really.
Patients can also use the state-of-the-art, fully equipped gymnasiums, which are managed by competent and trained personnel.
The treatments are extremely thorough, very professional. I've been really impressed by the organisation and the total cleanliness of the whole place. There seems to be so much diligence in maintaining the place to fit what is happening, the idea of a nature cure and everything around it, the values to support a nature cure of cleanliness and purity in food.
The work at Jindal Nature Cure Institute is backed by thorough, ongoing research activities by the Jindal Medical Research Society.
Unless you have research and development, you cannot get new ideas and further development. Similarly, this modernization also very necessary. For that, equipments and improvement in various areas have to be made.
Since we have started this research, it is helping a lot in modifying the therapies what we are giving, because initially it was very restricted to a certain level, but now even we have done extensive studies and we have incorporated new techniques and new therapies which can benefit the modern world.
Diabetes, hypertension, asthma, arthritis, migraine, there have been some progress, achievement also, and that is drugless, most important, because drugging is very harmful, not free from harm, and it is like whipping an already exhausted horse. So if people are treated and they get benefit without drugs, nothing like that.
And even we can also present the papers in the scientific journals, and even the other system of medicine also can accept our system of medicine as one of the advanced science.
The research work is aimed at providing the efficiency of naturopathy and yoga and the scientific treatment of diseases. Many needy patients have been treated free of cost under this research scheme. After the treatment, the patients are followed up for 3 years.
Naturopathy is not be all and end all. It has its own limitation for want of research and development, unlike allopathy, which is today the most advanced medical science in the world because of lot of research and development. But still it serves, and the people come here at last resort after hopelessly trying all branches of medicine, and still naturopathy helps in majority of the cases, though too late.
Along with the main treatments, additional ancient therapies are adopted to ensure faster healing. Reflexology is the technique of massage that has a definite effect on our internal organs, as various pressure points on our feet relate to various parts of our body. The hot and cold, wet and dry reflexology tracks have been well laid out within the campus and complements the treatments being given here.
naturopathy, it's not a magic. It's not that I've gone to Jindal Nature Cure Hospital, all my diseases are under control. So once I go back home, I can eat whatever I want. It is not like that. Whatever the patient has learnt over here, the patient has to inculcate the same habits once he gets back home. Only then he can be free of all the diseases.
Acupuncture is another complementary therapy advised for certain ailments. This 4,000-year-old Chinese therapy uses the technique of inserting special needles in various pressure points in the body with an aim to restoring health and well-being and treating pain. In fact, at Jindal, it is a holistic experience. Recreation and fun activities are part of the experience here. The laughing sessions, walking tracks, the sky cycle, badminton, and the stunning swimming pool are for the more adventurous kinds. Various cultural programs are organized for the patients. Equally attractive are the variety of residential facilities designed to meet the various budgets of patients coming here. Wards, executive rooms, regular cottages, regular huts, regular nests, deluxe huts, deluxe nests,
In fact, hospitals are meant for serving all classes of people, irrespective of any category, whether poor or rich. So we do provide accommodation for the rich people because they also deserve admission.
I found this place very good for health and I enjoyed it and I kept coming every year.
Visionary planning and design of this place is truly remarkable. on-campus facilities include every necessity to make your stay here hassle-free. Bank, travel agent, laundry, beauty parlor, men's salon, book and utility items shop, library,
the sacrifice worth coming in. Day by day, everything changes. I feel better. Time passed by quite.
Jindal Nature Cure Institute is a remarkable place that is planned for the future, and every detail of management and hospitality is, like the glory of nature, just right. Extra special care is taken to preserve the environment. Spread across 185 acres, the institute has a dedicated 85 acres of garden area. Fruits and vegetables are organically cultivated here.
JNI teaches us to build a relation with ourselves, which we ignore it in our life. And that's what JNI has given me.
I enjoy my staying here and I feel rejuvenated.
All my problems, almost you can say, solved, And till I live, I think I'll keep visiting to this place.
Friends of mine advised me to come here, and I feel really that it's okay.
Now I am in my best spirits, and now I am looking forward to go home and reduce my weight.
यहाँ आने के बाद हम इतना खुश हैं कि मुझे लगता है कि मैं यहाँ से कभी घर जाऊँ ही नहीं, यहीं पर यही मेरा घर है.
So, it is no surprise that the Jindal Nature Cure Institute stands as a humble tribute to the words of its founder. Nature protects you, and you will not fall ill unless you betray her. Come with a hope and leave with a smile.